Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram story to some users. That is not all, but some. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, write whether my solution helped you, whether you managed to do so. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. Then after that, we click on Add Story. And before we add it, we need to click on Settings with you. Then open the Story tab. And in order for us to select some friends that we want them to see our story, we can go to the search box, or we can write out some people in the search, or we can find them in the recommendations. Let's say we select a few people that I want them to be my best friends. Only 3 people can see my story. I click Done. Save. Then I go out. I add a picture. Let's say this one. And now, you and I click Close Friends. That is, add a story to best friends. It's being published now. Click. And as you can see, the story will see only some of the users that I have marked. Namely this user, this one, this one, this one. That is, in such a simple, easy way, you can make your story to be seen by some users that you want. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, write comments, give likes. Goodbye.